Hey everyone. Earlier today, I was out in Plano, Texas at the Heritage Ridge Estates built by Grand Homes. And I wanted to just give you a quick update on what Grand has been doing over there and show you that model home once again, because they still have tons of opportunities over there. So the neighborhood only has about 100 to 110 lots right off of 544. It's in Plano, Texas, but it is like right on the border of Plano and Murphy. Now there's still a lot of construction going on, so it's not as pretty as it's going to look once it's finally finished. But man, is this neighborhood cool. Small little neighborhood. Huge homes. I mean, big Texas homes, right? You think of Texas, you think of big. When you think of homes in Texas, you think of big homes, and Grand builds big homes. This is such a cool open concept right here. Looking up here to these huge 20-foot ceilings with the kitchen open all the way into the living room. This mural up the wall with this awesome marble. The farmhouse breakfast area. The wood floors, the ledger stone on the wall. This huge 10-foot, 4-person island. So after viewing this place, I asked them, if you were to put this home on the market right now today, what do you think that you would be asking for it? You know what they told me? $1.2 million. $1.2 million. Sometimes people don't realize when building a new home that the model home is just there to represent all that the builder can do and not what the builder will do. So if you don't absolutely love this model home and you don't love the styling, no problem, because Grand has 17 different floor plans for you to choose from. And each floor plan has hundreds of customizations, so you'll come out with a very unique home. Some of these homes are huge, 4,000 to 5,000 square foot plans. So we've been helping a lot of people get into new homes just like this. So if you'd like to know about other communities around the area that might be just like this, if Heritage Ridge doesn't happen to be the one that you're looking for, you can just reach out to us and we'll tell you about all the different new home communities there are in the area.